All right. So Akshara, while we are waiting for your friends to join, we will get started. Okay. So while we are waiting for everybody else, let us see if you remember the tables. Sohita is going to join, and there's a child named Karthik also going to join.
Who's
Okay.
Karthik?
Karthik is a new friend of yours.
Is he a boy?
Yeah, he's a boy. Okay, so while we are waiting for the other kids to join, let's get started with your tables for you. Okay?
Is Nahid going to join?
Who?
Nahid. You know him?
No. I don't know. Okay.
I think he's going to join this class soon.
Oh, wonderful. That'll be awesome. Okay. Hi, Sohita. Sohita, you forgot about me?
Hi, sir.
Hello, beta. Okay, so let's get started. Keep your videos on. I love seeing all the kids when I'm teaching, okay? Alright, so let's quickly check the tables and see how much you guys remember, okay? So we'll start with Akshara. Akshara, table till
12,
12, 8, 9 ja,
72,
12, 5 ja,
60,
6, 9 ja,
54,
8, 8 ja.
64.
Hello sir, how are you? Just Akshara, give a minute. We have a new friend of yours joining the class today. And what's the name of the child, sir? Karthik?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Okay. So while Karthik comes to the class, let's keep checking tables quickly. So 12 8 ja, Akshara.
12 weeks are 96,
7 9 ja,
63,
12 7 ja.
84,
Wonderful. Good job. Okay, so I see a new child in the class. What's your name, beta?
Satvik.
Satvik?
Yeah.
Okay, I cannot see you though.
Okay.
Yeah, come near the camera and say hello to all your friends. What happened? Don't be shy. In this class, none of us are shy, okay? Including your teacher who's 49-year-old. Okay?
you're 49.
Yeah, I'm 49. Next year, April, I'll turn 60. Oh, not 60, 50. My bad. I'm forgetting the numbers now. Okay. So, Satvik, can you turn your camera a little bit more so that I can see you properly? Yes, this is better. Okay. So, guys, say hello to your new friend, Satvik. Hi, Satvik. Welcome to the class.
Satvik.
Satvik, are you shy? Now, don't be shy, okay? Being shy doesn't help. Okay, all right. So, Satvik, before we start the class, there are a couple of things that I would want you to know, okay? That in this class, whatever we do, we try learning the concepts, okay? We will try learning what is math all about, what are the things that we need to know, how anything is to be believed, right? If I tell you that this is a formula, memorize it. No, it's not that way, okay? There's only one thing that I ask the kids to memorize, that is tables. Because that makes our calculation super fast, okay?
Sir, I got a fracture a little.
I'm sorry?
I got a fracture a little.
Fracture? Okay.
Yeah.
So, that is on the left hand, so you're still fine. You can do everything that you need to do. You can solve problems. Wonderful.
Yeah, I spend it too much.
Okay, so Satvik, now you will see on every Tuesday when we meet, I check the tables, okay? Because I ask the kids to memorize tables for 5 minutes every day, only 5 minutes, okay? That is more than enough. So we'll check your tables also. Let's check Sohita's table and then I'll come to you, okay? And let's see what Sohita does. Sohita table till
12,
12, 8, 7 ja,
50,
7 9 ja.
63.
8 8 ja.
64.
12 9 ja.
108.
11 7 ja.
77.
12 4 ja.
20.
12 4 ja.
48.
48. Good job. So Satvik, I know this is your first class. I'm not sure if you have got a chance to memorize tables or not. Let's see what all we know, and whatever you know, we'll keep going from there. Okay. So if I ask you, Satvik, you know tables till which number? Can you tell me?
Like 12.
Till 12? 12?
13.
13? Let's see. So 5 7 ja.
40.
35. 35. 6 8 ja.
48.
9 5 ja.
45.
12 7 ja.
12, 7,
84.
oh,
Yeah. 13 2 ja.
13, 20, 26.
26. 13 4 ja.
What?
13 4 ja.
That is 54.
52. 12 8 ja. 96. Okay. But Satvik, let me be very honest with you. Okay. This is your first class. I don't expect kids to know tables till 12 and 13 in the first class. Okay. All the kids here, they are knowing tables because they have been practicing it every day for 5 minutes. And I see kids starting from 4 or 5 and then going till 12, 13, 14. In the first class itself, you have impressed me that you already know tables. That gives me a lot of confidence. Okay. And why I ask the kids to know tables? Because that makes our calculation super fast, very effective. Okay. So it's very good to know that you know table till 13. So don't go to 14. Now what I would request Satvik is every day spend 5 minutes. Okay. Whenever you are getting bored, you have nothing to do, you are trying to figure out what to do next. Pick up your table. Look at, let's say 12. 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48, 12 5 is 60, 12 6 is 72, 12 7 is 84, 12 8 is 96, 12 9 is 108, 12 10 is 120. Wonderful. I remember it. Take that notebook, catch hold of anybody in family, okay, ask me tables. Do it like a fun activity, okay? Don't do math like a stressful exercise. Math is something to be very fun, okay? Yeah? I enjoy math. I want you guys to enjoy math as well. Alright? Yep. Alright, so we have checked tables. Let's see what we want to continue with. So in the last class, we learned about how to find out the area of a rectangle, how to find out area of a square. Do you guys remember that or you forgot?
You remember.
Remember? Sohita, remember? Guys, no texting, no emojis, okay? That is not a great thing. Okay? Don't do that because that gets your attention diverted. Now, so how about Satvik? Satvik, do you know what is area and what is perimeter?
Yep.
Can you describe that? Assuming your teacher is a 5-year-old child.
Area is the inside of a shape.
Okay.
And perimeter is the space outside the shape.
Okay. And if I ask you, do you know how to find out the area of a rectangle and a square and a triangle? Do you know how do we calculate that? Okay. So you seem to have come across area and perimeter before, but I will do a little bit of fine tuning here. Okay. So if I talk about area of any shape, as you rightly said, area is the space inside the shape, or the space that it takes or needs for drawing it. Okay? So if you look at this shape and this shape, what is the difference? Both are looking like rectangles, but this one needs less area, less space. This needs more area or more space. Correct? That's the area part, which you know already. Now when you talk about perimeter, perimeter is the length of the boundary. So if I'm talking about the perimeter of this guy, I'm talking about this length plus this length plus this length plus this length. When I add the entire length together, that is my perimeter. So perimeter is not the space outside the shape. Perimeter is the length of the boundary of the shape. Yeah? Does it make sense to everybody?
Yes.
Satvik, are you with me? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So basically, area is the space needed by something and perimeter is the length of the boundary. Okay? So if you look at perimeter of this guy, this length plus this length plus this length plus this length. If you look at perimeter of this guy, this length plus this length plus this length plus this length. Okay? Now, let's do a quick check. I used to be very good at killing mosquitoes when I was small, like you guys. With one hand I could kill. Now I can't. See, there's a mosquito flying around. Okay. Alright. So now, I'm saying this one is a rectangle and this one is a rectangle as well. Let me draw a better rectangle, okay? A rectangle which looks like a rectangle. Okay? And this rectangle has length as 15 centimeter and width as 17 centimeter. This rectangle has length as 5 centimeter and width as 3 centimeter. Can you guys help to find out the area of and perimeter of this guy and area and perimeter of this guy as well? Sohita, keep the rubber band aside and get onto this problem. Find out the area and perimeter of this guy and area and perimeter of this guy. This is a rectangle, this is also a rectangle. Daddy rectangle, baby rectangle. Okay? Find out the area of the daddy rectangle and perimeter of the daddy rectangle. Find out the area and perimeter of the baby rectangle also. Satvik, can you do it, beta?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do it. And again, I have not taught you how to find area and perimeter, Satvik, but I am assuming that you already know it. When you try doing it, I would know if there is some gap, I will fill it. Okay? So you guys have how much? 3 minutes to solve these two problems? Akshara, Sohita, and Satvik. Everybody doing it?
Yes.
Okay. Be on mute. Once you're done, raise your hand. I'm waiting for you guys to tell me we are done.
Sir, I don't know how to solve a small one.
Why? A small one is...
Big ones, like, no.
So this is, be it a small or big, same thing, right? This is a rectangle, this is also a rectangle. Here you know the length is 5 centimeters. Length here, this width is 3 centimeters.
Okay.
I don't see the kids doing it. I want you guys to get your hands dirty like mine.
Sir, could you please move your head?
Okay. You want the class without the teacher? Okay. Akshara, are you doing it, beta?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was not a very confident yeah.
So give me paper to say.
So, this is a big rectangle, this is a small rectangle. I am calling this big rectangle as a daddy rectangle, okay? And this is a baby rectangle. Daddy rectangle has length of 15 centimeter and width of 17 centimeters. The baby rectangle has length of 5 centimeter and width of 3 centimeter. I want you guys to find out the area and perimeter of the baby and the daddy rectangles. Is that okay? I see kids are not giving me the confidence.
It's so easy.
Easy peasy. Do it and then tell me. Satvik, is it easy or difficult? What do you think?
I know this, but you didn't give all the numbers.
I'm sorry, beta.
You didn't give all the numbers.
I did not give you all the numbers because I was thinking that if any of us know what is a rectangle, do we need all the sides?
Yes.
Okay, I'll disclose the secret.
All we need to know is just what the value of one place is in the top and the bottom for a square or rectangle. For a square, I mean rectangle.
Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me first break it down for all of you. Solve this problem and then I'll give you guys more problem to solve, okay? Is that okay? Everybody?
Yeah.
Because I think that, okay, everybody here. Sohita, your hand is almost close to my eyes.
Okay.
Okay, so here, what is that we need to know about a rectangle? What is that you guys know about a rectangle? Rectangle is a quadrilateral. Yep, yeah, Akshay, go ahead. What else?
It has four equal. I mean, it has four sides,
Uh-huh.
and the lines are parallel.
Okay. Let's see what Satvik knows about rectangle. Can you describe what is a rectangle, Satvik?
A rectangle is it's something like a square, but extended on the other side. But it could be extended on the upper side or side. And the one thing I know is that it has two angles, two right angles, and four vertices.
Okay, let's see what Sohita knows about a rectangle.
So there's the families for every shape, and for a rectangle, I think it is a quadrilateral.
Okay, now whatever I heard from you guys, let me put them all together and make it a very easy thing. Okay, we are all human beings, right? None of us are ostrich or elephant or chicken or fish.
I am sick.
Okay, we are all human beings. Okay, so we all belong to a family of humans. Is that okay? Similarly, quadrilateral is a family of shapes which has four sides. So every shape that we talk about, be it a rectangle, be it a square, be it a rhombus, be it a kite,
So,
be it a trapezoid, everything is part of a quadrilateral family. Okay, so quadrilateral says, if you are talking about quadrilateral, that's a family of shapes which has four sides. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Now, in that family, rectangle is one member of the quadrilateral family, okay, which has certain properties that we need to be aware of. If we are talking about a rectangle, obviously it's from the quadrilateral family, meaning it has four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and it has four angles. This one, this one, this one, this one. And as you mentioned, Satvik, there are four vertices also. This one, this one, this one, this one. You can call them vertices, you can call them corners, vertex, whatever you are comfortable with. Okay? Yeah? Now, so it has four sides and four angles. That is one part of the information. Now, all the angles are right angles, meaning every angle is 90 degrees. That is one property. And then, other property that we need to know about is, rectangle is, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this side and this side are equal. This side and this side are equal and parallel. What do I mean by parallel?
parallel lines never meet.
Never meet. Like the railway tracks that you would have seen in the US or whenever you went to India. Correct? It's like parallel lines. The most practical example of a parallel line is railway track.
Lines that never.
Yeah? What is that, Akshara?
Lines that never meet.
That never meet. Or if you want to think mathematically, you will say that the distance between the parallel lines remain the same.
You forgot one thing.
What is that?
For the rectangle, they don't actually do the half a circle. They actually do this. Like
I cannot see. Okay, 90 degree. Yeah, that's 90 degree. So these four angles, these four angles are 90 degree. That's what I have mentioned here, right? So these are 90 degree or right angles. Yeah.
You're not supposed to do like 1/4 of a circle like that.
Yeah,
You're
what-
supposed to do square.
Any which way is okay. I mean, basically, how we are drawing. Don't go by my drawing skills. My drawing skills are horrible. Okay, but what I'm trying to say here is, if I have a rectangle, what are the properties of a rectangle? It's from the quadrilateral family, meaning it has four sides and four angles, and every angle is 90 degree. You put it this way or you put it this way, it's all the same bit, okay? Because what will happen is, if you put 1/4 of a circle, all put together will make 360 degree, okay? So 1/4 of a circle is 90 degree only, okay? But I'll leave it to you guys, okay? How you want to draw it. But what is important for us to know is, rectangles have opposite sides, parallel and equal. So this side and this side equal and parallel. This side and this side equal and parallel. Okay. Now let's go back to the problem that I have given you guys. And I had asked you guys to find out the area and perimeter, where Satvik said that we need more details. And let me go back to relate this concept. So here is my rectangle. This is what we were trying to find out the area and perimeter for. And you guys can see the full board, right? You can see this corner, my finger here, my finger here, my finger here, right?
The big one we need to find the area, the small one we
Yeah, so right now we are picking one by one problem at a time. Yeah? So this one was 15 centimeter and this one was 17 centimeter. That's what I have given. So I said length is 5 centimeter, width is 17 centimeter. I said this is a rectangle. As soon as I say this is a rectangle, you know that these angles are 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. And also, you know, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this guy is 15, this guy is 15 as well. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. So if this is 17, this is 17 as well. Yeah? So Satvik, your question of some details needed is taken care by recalling the property of a rectangle. It makes sense?
Yeah.
Yeah? Now, how do we find out the area of a rectangle? Does anybody remember?
I know.
Okay, how much it is?
You have to multiply all the
Length times width. Not all the numbers. You'll multiply length.
Yeah, that's what it is.
The
Yeah.
length and the width.
Yes. Area of a rectangle is length times width. If I want to call this guy length and this guy width. So this guy is length.
The formula is length times width.
That's what I've written it, okay? So length times width. Length. I'm calling this one length, this one width. If you don't like my style, you'll say this is length, this is width. Doesn't matter. How you look at it is up to you guys, okay?
Oh, we can call it breadth.
Or you can call Akshara and this one Sohita. Akshara times Sohita is the area of the rectangle. Yeah?
The answer is 255 centimeters.
Okay, see, you guys are much faster, much more intelligent than me. I'm slow moving animal, okay? I'm going slow. So, length times width. What is my length? 15 centimeter. What is my width? 17 centimeter. So now, I will multiply this and find out the answer. What will be my answer? 15 times 17. Let's multiply it. 17 times 15. 5 times 7, 35, 3 carry forward, 5 on the 5 plus 3, 8. 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 1 is 1. 5, 8, 7, 15, 1 carry forward, 2. So 255. 255 is the number. Now I have 1 centimeter here, another centimeter here. I have to multiply them also. Centimeter into centimeter will be what?
Centimeter square.
Centimeter square. So Akshara, you said 255 centimeter. Remember one thing, when you talk about area, it will be centimeter square, inches square, kilometer square, miles square. Yeah?
Can we do a problem alone?
I will let you guys deal with problems by yourself. I'm just kind of peeling off the onion to make sure that you guys can make a good curry out of it, okay? Who does cooking here? Anybody doing cooking? No?
Oh yes, me.
You do cooking? Okay.
I make tea for my dad.
What is that, Rita?
I make tea for my dad.
You make tea for your dad? Wonderful. I love tea, okay? Morning and evening I take 1 cup of tea. That keeps me energized. So I will try Satvik's tea one day. Let's see. But here, coming back to the math problem, 15 into 17 got 255 as we saw here. Now I have centimeter here and centimeter here. So centimeter into centimeter will become centimeter square. Like when you do x times x, it becomes x square. 2 times 2 becomes 2 square. You do centimeter times centimeter becomes
Y
centimeter
times
square.
y equals y square.
Y into y is y square. Akshara into akshara, akshara square. Sohita into sohita, sohita square. Satvik into satvik, satvik square. Same is the case with teacher times teacher is teacher square. And again, there is nothing.
Say that.
I'm sorry, Vita?
I was gonna say teacher times teacher equals teacher square.
Yeah, it is. So, see, the concept is the same. Now, what you fit in there is up to you. Okay? You can say house times house is house square. Yeah? Alright. Now, we found out the area. Okay? And why I'm stressing on this is because whenever you find out the area, don't forget the unit. Okay? Because that is very, very, very important. Okay? And I keep giving this example to everybody. Satvik will hear it from me for the first time. If I say unit is very important, now look at it, how important it is. Satvik, if I say I am 5 feet 7 inches tall versus I say I am 5 meter and 70 centimeter tall.
5 feet and 7 inches is shorter than 5 meter. 5 meters.
How about I saying I am 5 miles and 7 yards tall?
Then that's gonna be bigger than 5 meters and 7 feet.
But how realistic is my statement of saying I am 5 miles tall?
That doesn't make any sense because 5 miles is a very
Humongous size, right? I mean, that cannot be height of a normal human being.
Oh, and one more thing.
Yeah?
Would we going all the way to the top?
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. So see, now you're seeing, right? When I mess with the unit, I become unreasonable. I become unrealistic.
It doesn't make sense.
It doesn't. Obviously, it doesn't make sense. So in the case here, whenever we do calculation, if we forget about the unit or put the unit incorrectly,
Please do calculation now.
where you have to go? Are you going somewhere after the class?
No.
Take it easy. Enjoy math. Math is a subject to enjoy. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, it's fine, beta. See, why we'll do it. We'll do it. No, why I'm emphasizing on certain things. Like Satvik said, I saying that I'm 5 miles tall, that doesn't make sense. So would be the case. If we do any calculation and forget about the unit or put the unit incorrectly, our answer will not make sense. And we never want that to be the case. That is why it is very, very, very 10 times very important. Alright, let's move on. Now, we found out the area. How about perimeter? How much is the perimeter of this guy? Do the calculation, Sohita. You were in a hurry doing it. Okay. Satvik, how much will be the perimeter, beta?
What?
How much will be the perimeter of this daddy rectangle?
The perimeter? I can't see it properly.
This is 15 centimeter, this is 17 centimeter, this is 15 centimeter, this is 17 centimeter.
I got it.
How much?
64.
64, 30 plus 34, yep. So, see, if you look at the calculation part, okay, I'll give you guys some problems to solve, okay? So that,
Okay, I'm done.
you're done. How much it is?
64.
Only 64 what?
64 centimeters.
64
Centimeters, yeah.
centimeters, yeah. That's very important, right? 64 is a good number. I love it. But then 64 would not make any sense to me if I don't know whether it's centimeter, inches, miles, meter or yard.
It's square.
Centimeter square?
What?
No, no.
Perimeter can't be square.
Let's break it down. Let's break it down. 15 centimeter plus 17 centimeter becomes 32 centimeter. Plus 15 centimeter becomes 47 centimeters. Plus 17 centimeter becomes 64 centimeters. So here we are adding centimeters, okay? If this is 15, let's say centimeters, nothing but bananas. 15 bananas plus 17 bananas plus 15 bananas plus 17 bananas. 34 bananas. Here, why we were getting a centimeter square? Because we were multiplying centimeter with centimeter. Now here we are adding centimeter with centimeter. Yeah? Akshara with me? Yeah? Okay. Everybody clear? Now, I want you guys to solve two problems.
Yay!
Yay.
Now it's my chance to show everybody my strategy.
Okay. Let's see. I want you guys to make strategy and apply
Ella
them.
has a strategy to make a area and perimeter. So that can be easy.
Okay. So,
Even easier. I mean, yeah. Is it a
I.
square or is it a square or a rectangle?
It's a line.
Huh?
It's a line right now. Okay.
No.
I am not done with. Hold it, guys. You guys are getting super excited. Hold your horses
So
here.
excited.
Okay, wait. Don't rush.
But now it's not a lot. I'm gonna be careful.
So this is a rectangle. I'm giving it a name also, okay, so that you guys don't get confused. This is a rectangle. This is a square. Okay. Here I'm saying my length or width or whatever you call it. Okay. This is 12 inches and this is 8 inches. This is a square. I'm saying this is 5 centimeters. Okay, that's it. And I want you guys to find out the area and perimeter of both of them. First one is a rectangle.
The perimeter for the square,
Complete it first, beta.
10 meters.
So complete both of them. Complete all the problems. I know you guys are super smart, but I want you guys to do that work, okay? Because it will be unfair if only my hand gets dirty, okay? I want everybody's hands to get dirty by the time class gets over, okay?
12 times 8 is...
No, okay, be on mute when you're doing the calculation. No. Let everybody think and solve it. This, I'm repeating the question one last time. This is a rectangle with sides given as 12 inches and 8 inches. This is a square where I'm just giving one side as 5 centimeters. And I want you guys to find out the area and perimeter of both the shapes. And you guys have 3 hours for solving this problem.
Hours?
Now, 5 minutes, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Tasvik, are you done, beta? Satvik, sorry.
48.
Are you done?
I am.
Yeah. Tell me what is the answer for this one and this one. What is the area of this guy?
Oh, I did 48.
48. What?
Oh, I didn't say the 12. I couldn't see the 12.
It is 12 inches and 8 inches.
Oh, okay.
So as soon as you're done, you can raise your hand like this, so that I would know the kids are done, and then I can ask for the answer, okay? I'll be back in 30 seconds. I'll let you guys finish this. Okay, what's the situation? Okay, Satvik, tell me, what is the answer you got for the first one?
40 inches.
One more time.
Perimeter like is 20 centimeters.
No, let me,
It's
One by
40
one.
inches.
I'm sorry, let me hear Satvik first, then I'll go to everybody one by one.
40 inches, and then for the big one, and then the small one is 20 centimeters.
This is 20 centimeter and this is
Yeah.
40 inches. What is this? This is area or perimeter?
That is perimeter.
This is perimeter. This is also perimeter or area?
Perimeter.
Okay, how about area?
If that's area, then
It's not like if that's area. I'm saying we have two shapes and I want you guys to find out area and perimeter of this shape, area and perimeter of this shape also. Okay?
okay.
Yes, Sohita, you're saying something? I saw your hand here, so that's why I was thinking. You're talking to the mute button.
Oh, I was doing something problem on the other session.
Okay, you complete. As soon as you're done, raise your hand. How about Akshara?
For the rectangle,
Well,
it's 96.
I only found area for the rectangle and I only found perimeter for the square.
Okay, complete both the parts of the problem. Then I'll
I got 96 for the rectangle, and for the square, I got 25.
96 what?
96 inches, and for the square, I got 25 centimeters.
25 centimeters.
Yeah.
Okay. How about Akshara? Still doing it? Okay. I'll give you guys one more minute. Okay. One more minute. Yeah. Sohita.
My rectangle area is 96 inches and 96 inches square.
Okay. 96 inches square. Okay. How about this guy? How about the square?
The square, the perimeter.
Perimeter area both. I need both. Otherwise, it'll be half time.
Perimeter for the rectangle is 40 inches any.
Uh-huh.
And then the square, I have area 25 centimeters, and the
Perimeter.
perimeter I got 20 centimeters.
Okay. How about Akshara?
I got
25 what?
25 centimeters.
Centimeters? As the area for the square?
The area is 20, like I said, because there are 4 sides and there's 5 centimeters. It's just multiplication. Right?
Okay. I think you guys know it, but we are making some what you call, some visual mistakes. Now let's look at it. Look at the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is length times width. See, this is why it is important to do it on paper. Area is length into width. Length into width. What is my length? 12 inches. What is my width? 8 inches. When I multiply 12 and 8, I get 96. 12 is 96. Inches into inches, inches square. I'm not hearing inch square very loud and clear from everybody, okay? Sohita, no, don't do that.
It's hot.
Okay. Keep it aside here. What I'm saying here is, when you are doing area is length times width. Length is 12 inches, width is 8 inches. When you write it down and you say okay, 12 times 8 is 96, inches into inches, inches square. You cannot miss this and say 96 inches. That will be incorrect. Sohita, be on mute if you are laughing out loud. Here, same thing for, so this is area is 12 into 8, 96 inches into inches, inches square. You cannot have an area without the square of the unit, okay? Now, what is the perimeter? Now we know it's a rectangle, so opposite sides will be equal. So this will be 12 inches, this will be 8 inches. So 12 plus 8 plus 12 plus 8. So 12 plus 12, 24, 8 plus 8, 16, 40 inches. This is inches. So Ita, be on mute better. I'm hearing something that I don't need to hear. Okay, so this is 40 inches. So 40 inches is fine. You guys are not making mistakes with the perimeter. Where you are making mistake is area. See, I've written down area of square is 25 centimeters. Area of the square will be what? Length into width. Again, here length and width both are same. So 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. 5 into 5 gives you 25. How about centimeter into centimeter? You cannot have an area in centimeters. Centimeter is a measurement of length. You are not measuring length here. You are measuring area. Yeah? So extra care is needed. Yeah? Am I making sense to everybody? Satvik, Sohita, Akshara, everybody okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? So just be a little careful. And this care will come with practice. So that's why after the class I send you guys some assignment. Because when you do assignment, it helps you apply the concepts that you know and learn how to be careful while solving the problems. Okay? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, Akshara, tell me.
So the assignment, do you send it an email?
No, not an email. I send it on WhatsApp group where you have detail about the timing of the class and everything. So,
You print it out? Or
yes, you take a printout of that or note down, ask daddy, mommy, whoever is home to...
Well, when you email it, it's kind of easy.
No, so I'm not sending an email because that will be difficult for me, okay? I don't have everybody's email address. I have everybody added to the WhatsApp group. So that's where I
You
post.
have my email? Okay, I can send it.
No, but I'm not sending to email better. That will be very difficult for me, okay? WhatsApp group is easy. There's one place where I put the assignment and you can use it, okay? You can ask daddy to forward it to you. That's okay. I'll leave it for you. But if I start sending emails, I will forget, okay? Many of the kids will get missed out. Alright? So now let's go to next shape. That is triangle. Who knows how to find out area of a triangle and perimeter of a triangle? Okay? Yes, Sohita, go ahead, tell me. How do you find the area of a triangle?
So I forgot a little about it.
Okay, how about Satvik?
Yeah. How you do area is by multiplying the length and width.
That is for rectangle. Length times width is the rectangle.
Oh, for square, you do the same.
For square is the same. I'm asking about triangle. If I have a triangle,
For triangle, then I think you
okay, don't worry about it. How about Akshara? Do you remember better?
No.
No. That
multiply
was...
all the numbers.
I'm sorry, beta?
Multiply all the numbers.
Okay, so let's first understand this, okay? I have a rectangle here. What is happening with all my markers? They are becoming dry. Okay. I have a rectangle, okay? And if I ask you guys to find out the area of the rectangle, you all know length times width, correct? Now, let me do one thing. I will join these two corners.
I never learned that.
I'm sorry?
I never learned that in like the other first class that you joined.
Mm-hmm.
Never learned that.
See? So that means you're learning something new. That's good. Alright. So I had a okay, guys, we have only 10 more minutes before this class gets over. So let's make best use of the time that we have. Satvik, are you with me, beta?
11 minutes, not 10. Oh, yeah.
Guys, let's not get distracted. Let's not get distracted, please. Okay? Here, come back here, please. We have only 10 minutes and I don't want that 10 minutes to go waste. We have a rectangle. We had a rectangle. And if somebody says, find out the area of a rectangle, you guys know length times width. If this is length, this is width. Length times width is the area of the rectangle. Now what I'm doing is, I'm picking up two corners, I'm joining them. What did I do actually? I have split this rectangle into two halves.
So it's equals to triangle.
Yes, Satvik.
So what I think is like, so can you draw a triangle?
So this is a triangle now. Look at this. I have a rectangle, I joined these two corners that split this whole rectangle into two triangles. One triangle here and another triangle above my hand.
Yes.
So
Wow.
this, yeah.
So so what you have to do is just when you get a triangle, you draw the other side to make a square or a rectangle. Then you do the length times width, and then you get the answer.
You would not want to do that. We are just trying to understand this, okay? So at your age, I'm explaining you guys how that formula for the area of a triangle is derived. How do we visualize that? How do we think about it? And then when you guys grow up a little bit more, go to 7th, 8th, 9th grade, that is when I'll teach you more details of how this formula was derived, okay? In more detail.
Will be a math teacher in 7, 8, 9.
What is that?
Will be a math teacher in 7th grade, 8th grade, and 9th.
Who?
Us.
You'll be a math teacher by that time?
No, I'm telling will we still be a teacher?
Till I'm alive, I'll be a teacher.
Yeah, but will we still be a teacher past 5th grade?
Yep, 100%. I'm teaching kids till 11th grade.
Oh.
Oh, okay, come back here. Come.
You're not. You're gonna teach 3rd, 4th, and 5th only.
No, I'm teaching till 11th grade. I'm teaching kids from college also. Okay, we have only 10 minutes, 8 minutes.
12th grade?
Yeah. Guys, now control your emotions so that we can make best use of the time that we have. Now, what I was trying to say was, we had a rectangle, we joined these two corners, and that split the rectangle into two halves. So if my rectangle's area is length times width, my triangle's area will be half of that. Half of length times width. So now if somebody says, find out the area of a triangle, you will say half of length times width. But in triangle, we don't call it length and width, okay? We call this as a base and we call this as a height, okay? It's just a different name, that's all. So it becomes half into base into height, okay? Now I will come to that. What is a base? It's okay, beta. We are learning something new, right? Are we not supposed to learn new things?
Yes.
That's what we are doing, okay?
It's an important thing.
Okay, so now, what I'm saying is, we saw that, okay, a triangle is just a half of the rectangle And rectangle's area is length into width. Triangle's area will be half of that rectangle's area. But in the case of a triangle, we don't call it length and width, we call it base and a height. Why base? Because this is the side on which this triangle is standing. Okay? That's why this is the base. Yeah?
Is that a B?
Yeah, it's a B. B as in base.
Oh.
Base times height. Look at this. This is looking this tall, right? If I make the triangle like this is taller. The height is more, right? So this side is called height. This side is called base. So if you have a triangle, you will find out the area of a triangle is half into base into height. Yep.
So is the base like this slanting line?
No, base is the horizontal line on which this is standing. Okay.
Okay.
So look at this triangle, right? This is the base. Where are we? Where am I standing right now? I have a base on which I am standing, right? If there is no base, I'll go where? Somewhere, right?
Now I get it.
Yeah. So this is the base and this is the height. How tall is the triangle? If you flip this triangle, okay, and make it like this. This, if you look at it from this side, this is your base and this is your height. So depending on how you're looking at it, you can call different sides as different names, but the two sides, base and the height, by 2 is your area of a triangle. Okay, that's a formula that we learned. We will talk about this little bit more in the next class. Then we'll talk about how do you find out the area and perimeter of a circle also.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yep, we will be done in 5 minutes. So once you are back, we will talk for 2 minutes and then you'll be done. Yeah, go ahead. Is everybody clear? That's my question. Akshara, are you clear, beta?
Yeah.
Sohita, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Sohita has a very long tongue. She can literally touch her nose with the tongue. My tongue is stuck. It doesn't come out. Okay? Alright. So now coming here. Coming back to,
To go to the restroom.
then you know what to do.
Yeah, sorry, I forgot. I already did that.
So Akshara, are you clear, beta? 100% clear? Okay. So only thing that we need to remember always is when I'm talking about area, my area will have something but with a square of the unit. Be it centimeter square, be it inches square, be it miles square, be it kilometer square. And when we talk about perimeter, we are measuring length of the boundary. Yeah? Alright. So see, now we see kids from the next class also joining. Hey Ayush. We have 3 more minutes before your class starts. So don't worry about what I'm doing right now. After 3 minutes, your class will start. Okay? So, where are the kids? Alright. Once Sohita is here and Satvik are here, then we will just say bye. Yep?
I missed the whole lesson.
Class is about to...
Yesterday, I missed the even whole lesson in school.
What is that?
Yesterday, I missed the whole lesson of school.
Yeah, that is fine.
From math.
Okay. So, Satvik, are you back?
In school. Do you know why?
Why?
Because I needed to go to the hospital in the middle of school.
Everything okay?
A little okay.
Oh,
yes.
okay, because of this one. Okay. Alright. So, with that being said...
In the X-ray, I can't even see the crack.
Okay.
The
So,
bone just
okay. Don't worry, it will be all fine. Okay? Alright. So, with that being said, I will let you guys go. Akshara and Sohita, you guys are good to go. We will talk about area of a triangle and area of a circle in the next class. We'll do few problems and then you guys will become champion in these things. Yep.
Okay.
All right. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye.